Very good. What is this?
What is this?
A goat.
It's not the easiest thing to do. Nor is it the right thing. But in this case,
What is this?
Butterfly.
Very good. What is this? What is this? Xylophone.
It's a great timing class.
What is this?
Ruler.
Pen.
and I'm sure that would
Pencil.
Ano siya? Kailangan natin kailangan.
Ha? Bakit natin kakalatan? Oh, ready. Tanong ulit tayo, ha? Teacher ulit tayo, ha? Sige. Okay, ready? Okay, ako teacher, ha? Walaan nito na kung ano yung mga papateacher ni Mami. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Harap sa akin. Harap kay Mami. Siyempre, kailangan nakaharap kay Mami. Ready? Get set? Ready na? Okay. What is this? Malakas, anak.
Okay.
What is this?
Yeah.
What is this? Okay. What is this?
Rubber.
What is this? Okay, ready? One more. What is this? Yung malakas, ha? What is this? Okay. What is this? Lakas, yung malakas. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, what is this? Ano yung malakas? Very good. What is this? Yung malakas. Ayun, very good. Ito, meron pa ako secret dito. Okay, one more. Last na to. What is this? Ako na lang sasagot. Sige, what is this? Lakas yung malakas. Oh, very good. Tapos na tayo mag-school. Uwian na. Bye! Bye! Okay, uwi na. Tapos na kami mag-school.
See you tomorrow.
Tapos na kami mag-study.
tomorrow.
Tapos na kami mag-study.